In this video, we will learn how to display name on Microbit by using Python coding. So let's begin. In your browser, you have to write Microbit Python coding. Microbit Python coding. Press enter button and this is the very first website. Microbit Python editor. Just click here and then select this allow all and start coding. And this is the previous code. Select all of this code, all of this text, press the backspace button and then click here and write the title. So I'm writing name tag. You can write any title you like, then press this continue button and here we have to write our code. This is the Microbit simulator. We will see how it works. So let's start typing. First we have to type here from Microbit import star import. You can press enter button, import, and here star. From Microbit import star, then press enter twice. And here we have to write while true. Make sure to write T in capital, TRUE, and we have to write here, type a semicolon here. Then press the enter button only once. And here we have to type display dot, and here we have the options, so we have to select here scroll. So display dot scroll, and here we have to type the text. It is also shown here, so we have to type the text in inverted commas. So insert the inverted commas and this is my name. And let's see how simulator works, and it's showing my name. But the problem is whenever the name ends, immediately the name starts again, just because it's while loop. So why not we should insert a time delay here. So for that we have to type sleep, and in this parenthesis we have to type 1000. So this is in milliseconds and the delay will be of 1 second. SIN, and here should be a delay of 1 second. Yes. So stop the simulator and let's type here 3 seconds, which is 2 seconds, which is actually 2000 milliseconds. And here you can see the delay is correctly inserted. So stop the simulator here, and now it's time to connect the Microbit. So I am connecting the Microbit USB cable with my laptop, and here you can see it is connected. And now let's download the code. This is the code we have just typed, and we have to click here save to Microbit button and then click on next. Here next, and then next again, and then select this device BBC Microbit, click on connect button, and now it's sending the code to the Microbit. The backside of this LED, this is blinking. It means that code is being downloaded in this Microbit. It will take some time, and here is the code. Here is properly inserted time delay, and this is the name. So thanks for watching.